Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you are going to learn about the second chakra of your body, which is sacral chakra. And if you are new to this channel and directly landed on this video, please check the previous video, which was on root chakra. Even though your chakras are not, you can start with sacral chakra, but it's better to start from the day one, where I have started this challenge, 7-day challenge of informing and making you aware of all your 7 chakras. And if you don't know me, hi, I am Sudeshna Mandal. I am a mindset coach and a healer, and I help people to achieve their emotional freedom. What is emotional freedom? Emotional freedom is we often tell that we are feeling something, maybe anger, sadness, blaming, complaining, all your negative emotions because of something and because of some situation, but actually you can feel whatever you want to feel, and that is called emotional freedom. If you want to know more about it, how you can achieve that, please join the WhatsApp community mentioned in the description, and there you will get to know more about it. And you can join my upcoming webinar where I will tell you in detail what is emotional freedom and how you can achieve it. Now come back to this video, which is what is sacral chakra. So as you must have seen if you have watched the first video, that our chakras are the energy center which is responsible for our emotional, our physical and spiritual health. So the second chakra, which is sacral chakra, which is just below your navel point in your abdomen, which is orange in color. So why I am saying color also, because by using this color therapy, you can also, to some extent, you can also activate your chakras. If your sacral chakra is blocked, what will happen? How do you understand that your sacral chakra is blocked? First thing is, sacral chakra is responsible for having the creativity. So all the creative energy will be very less. If some of you are having any problem in any related to any of your sexual organ, it's because your sacral chakra is not activated or it's blocked. If you have any if your sacral chakra is over activated, then you may have a over pleasure kind of situation, and that may be a reason for your addiction. It can be any addiction. It can be screen addiction, it can be smoking, it can be drinking. Any type of addiction is because your sacral chakra is not balanced and you are not able to control your pleasure. So if you really want to activate your sacral chakra, what to do? So again, the first thing is you can use this mudra, or you can keep your hand like this, sit straight, erect your spinal cord, take 4-5 deep breathing to activate your parasympathetic nervous system to reduce all your stress and all your cortisol. Then step 2 is focus on the sacral chakra. From the photo, you can see the sacral chakra location. Now, when you close your eyes, focus on your sacral chakra. Initially, maybe you will not be able to focus very clearly, but the more you practice, you will be able to do it. Focus on your sacral chakra, and then you can say this chanting, which is VAM, V-A-M. So chant this mantra 4 to 5 times by focusing on your sacral chakra. You can also put some good music, meditation music, healing music. It will actually help you to focus, more focus. Now you can even say some affirmation that I accept all my creative power, I accept all my changes. So all those affirmation you can use. If you want a video on the affirmation of each chakras, mention in the comment and I will create a video on that. But yes, so this is the way you can activate your sacral chakra. So practice it every day, because you may feel that how by focusing on sacral chakra my life is going to change. Remember, when your sacral chakra is not balanced, you are not accepting the creative power which is given by universe to you. Because of the sacral chakra, you can create another human body. I mean, another human. So this is an immense power which sacral chakra is responsible, and each chakra has its own interrelated body parts. So sacral chakra is associated with all your reproductive system. So anything like you have any reproductive system related problem, it can be PCOD, PCOS, or any ovary related issues. I can say, because I have seen many of my clients, that the more they practice these chakra meditations, slowly they have seen improvement in all those organs. So try it, practice it daily. If you need my guidance, if you need one-to-one healing, you can contact me by joining the WhatsApp group and then messaging the admin number. Remember, this number is not for call, so you can't call, you can only send message, and me or my team will reply. So just give us that time, maybe sometimes to reply you back. But yes, if you really need to change, to solve your addiction problem, to solve your any reproductive organ related problem, chakra meditation can be one way to change. But there are other modalities also, which if you are ready to work with us, we can work. But for now, people who want to do it yourself, do it this way, and I am sure if you practice it every day, you will see a lot of change inside your body. Thank you so much for watching till end. Share this video with someone who you feel that need this video to watch. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because I am going to upload each day, like every week, 2 videos on the other 2 chakras. So next week, you will get to know about 2 important chakras. What are they? They are solar plexus and heart chakra. If these 2 chakras you can align, you can activate, your life can be changed. So stay tuned and please watch, please consume all the healing and meditation video already given in that channel. I have put so much value in that channel. By practicing all those videos, you can change a lot of things in your life. And if you really want a mentor, you can join my community. You can attend my next webinar, which is going to happen in this weekend. To join the next webinar, the registration link is also mentioned in the description, and you can join the WhatsApp group where you will get all those information. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.